Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Python. Now I've been trying to think of more ideas and I came across this idea of creating a function which tells if a number is an even number or an odd number. Now I couldn't believe I've done this before because it's such a great way of just starting out with creating functions, and that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to create a function that defines whether a number is an odd number or an even number. So we're going to have an if statement in a function, and we're going to use a modulo function. Now what a modulo function does is it finds how many times a number is divisible by another number. In this case, we're going to find out how many times it's divisible by 2. And if it's 0, if it goes incompletely, then it's an even number. If it's not, then it's an odd number. So first things first is to create our function. So let's zoom in so you can all see more clearly. So we're going to use def for define is even, and then n. So that's the start of our function. Notice that when we press enter, the colon appeared. If n modulo, which is percentage sign, over 2 equals 0, so it's completely divisible by 2, then we print even number. And then else, so anything else, print odd number. Notice I'm copying and pasting to make it easier for me. And that is it. So all we have to do now is call our function. So is even 2. So let's create a new output. Wait for the new sheet to appear. There we go. So let's call it 2. See on our output below, even number. 3, call it odd number. 1, odd number. Then let's put some more things in there. Good. Good, so it's calling it correctly. So there we have it. We have created a function, a basic function that tells us whether a number is an even number or an odd number. This is a great way to start out with functions, and even better because we're having an if statement within a function. So that adds another layer of complexity. So I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Check out my other ones on my channel and subscribe if you liked it. Thanks very much for watching.